Hi. If you are looking for the easiest and most affordable way to host your apps on a VPS server and you have multiple apps to host, then this video is the right place for you. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily host your vibe coded apps on a single VPS server using Coolify, hosting your VPS, and also you will need a GitHub account. Let's dive into the process how you can do that. As you can see, Coolify is a self-hosting with superpowers. It's an open source and self-hostable alternative to Vercel, Heroku, and also Railway for easy deployments of websites, databases, web applications, and many more. You can see 280 plus one-click services for your own service. Yes, you can install any services with just one click using Coolify. So they have a cloud version too. If you don't want to have a uh, self-hosted VPS or hosting a VPS, you can go with the cloud plan, and in this case we're going to self-host. Okay, so first of all you will have to have a hosting or any VPS plan. If you already have one, you can just install the Coolify on your server. There's another process for other hostings, and we'll be using Hostinger in this case. I'll put the link below on my description. You can just click on the link and go to the hosting. With that link you will get a 20% extra discount. You will land on this page, then click on and then from there click on the VPS hosting. And here there are 4 packages you can see. If you are planning to host like 2, 3 or 4 apps, simple apps, then this KVM2 is enough for you. Just go with this one. And if you have a bigger plan, or if you want to host more apps in future, go with the KVM4. So in my case I'll choose KVM2. Then it will take you to the checkout page and choose your plan period, 24 months or 12 months. 24 months gives the best value. You'll get a free domain and 1 month free hosting. Then scroll down and choose your server. It will be automatically selected according to your geolocation. The best latency is for me is India. Then scroll down and go to the OS with panel. Click on this Coolify, confirm, and then you will need to continue. After that you will need to register your account as you don't have one. Just register it and do the payment, and it will take you to the dashboard. So I have already purchased the hostinger, so I'll show you from my dashboard. So here is my Coolify instance. As you can see, after logging in you will see Coolify on your server like this. Just click on manage panel and it will take you to the Coolify dashboard. In my case it's showing my domain name as I have already set up. So for you will need to go to the dashboard. You can see the servers, click on the localhost and then put your domain here, and you will also need to configure your domain with this root access. You can see server root access. Just place the IP address after @ 147 dot. In your case whatever it is, just take it and add it a server DNS server. Configure it. You can just chat GPT and do the thing configuration on your domain. After that it will locate your domain with Coolify, and then go to projects. Add project. You will need to name it like demo. I'm giving it a name, and then click on add resources, and here you can see a lot of apps that you can deploy. There are plenty of apps. Okay, 280 plus, and the list is growing day by day. So in our case we'll be deploying using our GitHub. So let's see how we publish our apps on GitHub. So in my case you can use Cursor, Lovable, or any kind of I'm using anti-gravity. I have already developed an app for my use. This is another process. You can just make your app IDE, then you can just push your codes to the GitHub account. So in my case I am pushing this code to my GitHub account just using this prompt. I'm telling you to create a new repository on my GitHub and push the app codes to that GitHub repository, naming it accounting app. After deploying the codes on GitHub, as you can see the app is now deployed on my GitHub. So right now I'll go to the Coolify instance again and click on private repository. If you want to keep your project private and secure, then make it private, and if you have a public repository to install, then click on the public repository. In my case, I'll click on private repository. Then it will tell you to connect your GitHub account. Connect your GitHub account and then click on that GitHub account. In my case, this one. Then it will take you to a drop down to select your project, which project you want to deploy. As you can see, here is the simple accounting, or in my case, this is accounting app. I'll select accounting app and click on load repository, and then it will tell you to click which pack. I'll select Docker file, click on continue. We'll need to configure something. From here you can also add your domain from here, custom domain, and in my case I'll make it is counting my domain.site, and then click on save, and after that you will need to click on deploy. Here you can see the deployment log is started deploying your GitHub app on your Coolify or VPS server. See, it's that easy. After finishing the deployment, you can see the app is now live on your subdomain or the domain that you have set up. So this is the process how you can set up your own apps on your VPS server using Coolify and GitHub and hosting your VPS. So if you want to get started now, just click on the link in the description below, get a hosting or plan, then install Coolify, and then deploy your codes on your GitHub account, connect it to Coolify, and then just publish it using one click. As you can see, it's that easy. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or if you need any type of help, I will give my contact links below. You can reach out to me if you need any kind of help, or if you need anything else, or if you need tutorial on anything else, just comment below. I'll try to cover that as well.